Another quick and easy summer decor DIY. This one we're gonna do like beach theme. I have this wood round. I got mine from Michael's, but you can get it from Dollar Tree. Either way, they're gonna be like around $1 or so. I have this paint. I wanted the paint to match the napkins because I was gonna do a Mod Podge look with it, but I didn't have the paint color to match the napkins, so then I decided to change it up. But I painted both sides of the wood round and around all of the edges. I only gave the wood round one coat of paint because I wanted to have like kind of a distressed look, but you can do a couple of coats of paint if you want. I did give a couple of coats of paint to the little cup. Those came from Dollar Tree. They came in a set. They come with little spoons and like the summer section. Once everything dried, I'm going to just sand around the edge of the wood block just to help give it that distressed look just a little bit more. And then I have these rub transfers from Dollar Tree. I have a few different summer themed ones. This one has like a lot of flamingos and cute little things and things on it. So I'm just picking which ones that I want to use. I'm trying to show you the words there, but it's like kind of a metallic look, so it's got a little reflection to it. They do put them really close together, so you have to cut around really carefully when you are picking out which ones you want to use because they go together but don't go together. I've used the rub transfers before. This time, I'm guessing because of the pain and the unevenness with the distressing, it didn't stick immediately right away. Before, when I used it, I put it down and everything stuck right away, but it was a super flat, smooth surface before. So you have to figure out what type of surface you're using it on, and you have to make sure you transfer it really good. But I got most of the flamingo off, and then I went on to the words. I made sure to get all of the words off because I wanted the words to be shown on this. But once I was done, you just peel it back, and it's really easy and really simple to use these transfers. And then this is how that looked. You can just leave it like that, cover it with some Mod Podge, use it like a little coaster, but I'm going to make mine into like a raised little tray basically. So I'm going to glue that little dessert cup from Dollar Tree that we painted and just make sure everything is nice and centered. And then I have this bag of you call seashells that my daughter collected when she was younger with some rocks because we live in Long Island and there are a ton of beaches around here. But I do think that Dollar Tree does sell seashells that you can grab. And just to give it an extra beachy look, I'm just going to glue those around the base. You could cover the whole bottom with these and give it a real nice look, or you could just leave it as is because it is pretty just as is. You can use a few. You can do this in so many different ways, but this is how it came out, and it's so quick, so simple. You can put a little candle on there. You can use it just as a decor piece. You can use this in a bunch of different ways. You can use this on a tiered tray. But thanks for watching. Follow for more.